the fields of green pastures where the gentle waters flow, a shepherd tends his flock with the love they've come to know. He leads them through the valleys where the shadows softly fall, and though the night is coming, they trust the shepherd's call. Oh, the shepherd's call is faithful. It echoes through the night, guiding every step, leading to the light. When the wolves are prowling and the darkness closes in, a shepherd's voice will save them and bring them home again. One lamb had gone astray, lost in the wilderness alone, but the shepherd left the 99 to bring that one back home. Through the thorns and briars, he searched without delay, and when he found the lost one, he carried it away. Oh, the shepherd's call is faithful. It echoes through the night, guiding every step, leading to the light. When the wolves are prowling and the darkness closes in, the shepherd's voice will save them and bring them home again. When you feel lost and weary and you've wandered far from grace, listen for the shepherd and you'll see his gentle face. He'll guide you through the darkness, he'll lead you through the pain, and in the arms of